Sensory supply of a upper airway is derived from the cranial nerve. The mucous membrane of the nose are innervated by ophthalmic division of the trigeminal nerve anteriorly and by the maxillary division posteriorly. The palatine nerves provide the sensory fiber from the trigeminal nerve to the superior and inferior surface of the hard palate and soft palate. The olfactory nerve innervate the nasal mucosa to provide the sense of smell. The lingual nerve, which is a branch of a maxillary division of trigeminal nerve, and glossopharyngeal nerve, which is a cranial nerve number 9, provide a general sensation to the anterior two-thirds of the tongue and posterior one-third of the tongue respectively. The branch of the facial nerves and glossopharyngeal nerve provide a sensation to the taste to those areas respectively. The glossopharyngeal nerve also innervate the roof of the pharynx, tonsils, and undersurface of soft palate. The vagus nerves provide a sensation to airway below the epiglottis and superior laryngeal branch of the vagus divided into the external motor branch and internal sensory branch that provide a sensory supply to the larynx between epiglottis and vocal cord. Another branch of vagus, which is a recurrent laryngeal nerve, innervate the larynx below the vocal cord and trachea.